Okay, this is a nice example of a product mix decision where you have unlimited demand. This Storage Solutions produces plastic storage bins for household needs. The company makes two sizes, a large, a 50-gallon, and a 35-gallon bin. Demand is so high that the company can sell as many of each size as it can produce, so they've got unlimited demand. The same machinery is used to produce both sizes, and the machinery is available for only 3,000 hours per period. So this is your constraint, is 3,000 hours. The company can produce 10 large bins every hour compared to 15 regular bins in the same amount of time. And fixed expenses are $110,000 per period, and this is your selling price less your variable costs. So $810 for the regular and $1050 for the large. And here's our variable cost. So my selling price per unit is $810 and $1050. So we've got regular and then large. Okay. The variable cost per unit is $350 and $420, which gives us a contribution margin per unit of $460 and $630. So right here it looks like, well, we're making $630 on each large one, so that's what we should produce. But we've got a constrained resource, so we're going to look at the units that are produced per machine hour. We can produce 15 regular ones and 10 large ones. So my contribution margin per machine hour is $69 for the regular ones, $63 for the large ones. So Storage Solutions should emphasize the production of regular bins because the contribution margin per hour is higher. Okay? Okay.